This one is super interesting. By now we know that the Tab S8 will come in 3 different configurations: Base, Plus and Ultra. However, new reports have shown that the 4th version will come to light, which is called, yes you guessed it, Tab S8 Lite. What is interesting is that the Tab S7 was also called Tab S7 Lite internally before it became the Tab S7 Fan Edition, which I don't believe was a great success. I get the feeling that the Tab S6 Lite got way more love from you guys, rightly so. So we now know that the Tab S8 will come in 4 different versions. We already also know that due to the chip shortage, it may be even difficult to get your hands on any of these tablets once they are being released the beginning of next year and ultimately by the end of next year. So the Tab S8 Lite has the following model number: SM/X50. So there will also be a Wi-Fi version, of course, in addition to the 5G version, but there will also be a dedicated American version, which also includes 5G. It is needless to say that the Tab S8 Lite will be the cheapest version of the Tab S8 lineup. Also, don't expect that flashy AMOLED screen, Super AMOLED screen. It's not present. It will be a TFT LCD screen. Most likely, we will also see a lower tier Snapdragon or Exynos chipset included in the Tab S8 Lite lineup. What is interesting to me though is that Samsung is already working on this and first leaks and first reports are appearing already. Could this be a sign of a different release schedule? Although it wouldn't make sense financially to Samsung to go ahead with the Tab S8 Lite as soon as possible, don't you think? So far, our expectation is that the Tab S8, the flagship models, let it be the Base, the Plus, the Ultra, will be announced alongside the Galaxy S22 event or maybe shortly after that. What usually happens then is that the Fan Edition/Lite version comes out 6 to 8 months later. And so far it worked well, apart from the Tab S7 Fan Edition. And this is not due to the change of name from the Tab S7 Lite to the Tab S7 Fan Edition. No, it simply is due to what Samsung offered to its consumers with this version. So whatever the Tab S8 Lite or Fan Edition will be called, it is essential that Samsung understands the offering is more important than the naming convention, including the pricing, of course. Stay tuned for everything else you need to know when it comes to the Tab S8, to the Tab S8 Spectrum, and let me know which version you personally would go for. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace out.